Did you know that the fabric on your favorite cozy chair, the one where you stream, scroll, and recharge, is not merely cloth, but a clever, calculated construction masterminded by someone who fused art, math, and engineering? That someone is a textile designer. I'm Taylor Walters from Valdez Weavers, and we're going behind the scenes to show you how a designer's creative vision finds its way into the world of manufacturing. It all starts with inspiration. Textile designers aren't just artists. They are cultural forecasters. They're constantly reading the global vibe, tracking signals, from street style in Milan to an indie art exhibit, or even why certain social posts go viral, to anticipate what the world will want next. These sparks are gathered into a mood board, which is their visual blueprint. This is where a designer defines the color story, the desired hand feel, and the overall aesthetic. It's the true foundation for the next defining textile trend.
As a textile designer, I think it's really important to be really observant of the world around you and notice little things like the bark on a tree or some moss that's on the ground or the ripples in the water.
Now for the fun part, translating that raw inspiration into a physical reality. This is where art and engineering truly collide. A designer starts by painting or sketching a concept. That's the beginning of the creative expression. But that idea quickly moves into a dedicated digital design program. Why? Because a textile isn't just a pretty surface. It's a piece of structural engineering built to last wherever it is used. Inside this program, every single warp, weft, and color must be precisely planned on an intricate technical grid. This digital blueprint is what actually programs the massive, sophisticated loom. It's not just about aesthetic appeal. It's entirely about the structural integrity that brings the fabric to life in a tangible way. It's the ultimate creative challenge, taking something abstract and defining its technical DNA. Once that detailed digital blueprint is finalized, it comes right here to the mill. This is the moment of conversion, where high-tech machinery takes the designer's data and begins weaving yard after yard of fabric. Watching the looms work is truly mesmerizing. It's a powerful, precise process. It requires a whole team of skilled technicians and engineers to oversee and monitor these machines, ensuring the absolute quality and accuracy of the design. This is the stage where the concept fully moves from a technical file to a manufactured reality. The final material is incredible, but a design isn't done until it finds its audience. That's where trade shows become the final piece of the puzzle. The beautiful finished fabrics are then taken to these national shows where buyers and brands select their favorites for their next furniture lines. Here we are at Interwoven, the only home textile show here in the US for textiles and leathers. The International Textile Alliance hosts this show twice a year here in High Point, North Carolina, bringing together leading manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers alike. It's incredibly rewarding knowing that what started as an idea is now finally going out into the world and into thousands of homes, making a true impact on people's most loved environments.
There's so many integral parts to really creating, because it's not just us creating. We have a whole mill working together to get the yarns in order and scheduling and weaving, finishing.
If you're inspired to create art and love solving a good puzzle, textile design could be just the right path to your future. Learn more about educational opportunities in textile design at internationaltextilealliance.org. Curious to learn more? Click the link below. Thanks for watching.